What do you say? Should we, we've conquered Livik, should we try to conquer Nusa?
Yeah, let's do that. Get some CQC in, dude.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm talking about. I'm gonna make sure that Science Center doesn't render for me.
Oh, right.
It's gonna be
That's
great.
a challenge right there, man.
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, it's a good and bad thing, I guess. Bad is I can't pick up any weapons, but I'll make the best of it.
Well, this is a Science Center drop if I've ever seen one.
It is
Oh,
showtime.
yeah. Oh, shoot. Man.
That's alright, let's go Regal.
No, we're going in.
Flame? Or still Science?
Still Science. Let's try and just
We got a res for a reason, right?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like we're good.
I missed all those shots. Is that the tree in the middle 240? Oh, hit him there. Moving right.
Watch out.
I'm rocking UMP DBS right now, so
Nice.
long range is a little tough for me.
I'm really going on, dude.
Location.
Oh, play closer. Oh, close again. There you go. Where? I'll attack him. Dang. In between these two houses, moving left.
Okay. We're gonna try to catch up with you guys here.
I'm gonna need to run that. Attack, oh,
I'm gonna die. Hello. How are you?
come on, where are you? In the blue. Oh, not the one out there?
Oh my gosh. They're all in the blue out there.
Yeah. At this tree.
I can't even see them.
On this.
Watch out.
Wasn't the same team. I think I was trying to shoot by now.
There's only two others.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do something real stupid.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
See the last guy?
Yeah. Good one.
Alright, Jake, you wanna go on a hunting trip with me?
Yeah, I have a pan, dude. I'm ready.
Oh, wait.
Nice.
Never mind.
Gee, we
I
did
was gonna drive us around.
Yeah. Right now.
GG.
Indeed.
We are number one.
Hi, YouTube. Oh, is that nice game? No. Okay.
Probably pretty close at this point, right?
Closer. Nice, dude. Look at that. Back to back.
GG's all.
Got teamwork in one.